Bellamy has challenged his Wales squad to follow in the footsteps of Gary Speed's legendary side and make their own mark at Wembley. This time, however, the aim is to go one better, beating long-time rivals England on their home turf. Wales travel to London for an international friendly in what promises to be one of the sternest tests of Bellamy's reign so far. Around 6,500 members of the Red Wall are expected to make the journey, ready to cheer on a team that hasn't beaten the Three Lions since a Home Nations Championship clash in 1984. The last visit to Wembley was a behind closed doors match during the COVID-19 pandemic, while the most recent fixture in front of fans ended in a 1-0 defeat at a Euro 2012 qualifier in 2011. That game, though a loss, is still remembered as a turning point for Welsh football, laying the groundwork for Euro 2016 qualification.
I see Belgium and ourselves, what I've seen from the group so far. We're the two standout ones, but the others have fight. The others are very defensive, deep blocks, and do have one or two threats on the counter-attack as well.
Bellamy, now Wales manager, recalls watching Speed's side in awe that night. Watching the team play the way they did was one of the proudest I've been. Wales' current side will be hoping to replicate that spirit, combining resilience with attacking ambition as they test themselves against an England team that always presents a formidable challenge at Wembley. The encounter is expected to be intense, with both sides keen to assert dominance early on. For Wales, it's not just about a friendly, it's an opportunity to build confidence, showcasing the development of a younger player side and perhaps creating a defining moment in Bellamy's tenure. With the Red Wall behind them, Wales will look to produce a performance that can rival the pride and emotion of Speed's side, leaving their own lasting memories on one of football's biggest stages.